What is up, guys? It is drift day, the first drift day of the year for me, and I'm exhausted. I'm like 3 hours of sleep. I'm sick as hell. I'm exhausted, but it's 6:20 in the morning and I'm already running late. We're all loaded up. I can't drift my S13. Wasn't ready in time, so I decided to drift my daily instead, and that's my E36. All right. It's gonna be definitely a different experience. One, it's right-hand drive, and two, it's NA and a whole different chassis, but it'll be fun. It'll be a good day. So let's hit the road. Let's just get to it. I'm gonna park down the E36. Just checked in. Now I gotta go unpack, driver's meeting, then tech, and all that good stuff. Let's go. Look who it is.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. We'll follow you.
We live, baby.
Oh, baby, we live.
How do you zoom on this goddamn?
Spin it, clump.
Look at Jimmy coming to
Watch
the
the
rescue.
door. The door. Now it pulls up the side. Oh, you guys need a tow? No, chin strap. Get out of here with your Polaris. Just arriving here at Thompson Speedway. What are you doing, Don?
The choke's up. Oh, now she hitting.
It's the left. Hard.
Yo, this ain't my first rodeo.
Yeah, well, you're about to jackknife this bitch.
No, I'm getting the angle right.
No, my bad.
That's it. Blocking these haters out.
It wasn't by choice.
What motor is it?
Alright, so we just had the driver's meeting. We all passed tech, which is good. I don't see why we won it, but we're walking the track. It's a little bit different layout than usual. They put like another manji in the main hoop, so it's gonna slow it down a little bit, which is probably good, other than the fact that if you're not ready to clutch kick, then you're not ready to drift. So hopefully my master holds up because it's on its way out, and
You're gonna learn today.
we're gonna learn it today. They kindly enough put me in C group, so I a little less stressed trying to drift that car for the first time, which is cool. And then we'll just work our way up from there.
So it's 9:24,
We're out here.
We're hungry.
and he has made how many hot dogs?
8, the whole pack. You want me to get you? You want me to get you? Oh! Yeah! That's a win for Drew 2. That was so unnecessary, dude. Lesson learned, Tip.
B class or C class about to be up. I'm gonna be drifting with Drew. I have the worst stomach ache ever. I want to die. Oh my god, I'm not ready, but I'm excited. I'm also really nervous.
Drew, this
Want the front?
rear.
I just ruined my fenders. My tire was just rubbing my fender. I neglected the fact that these are bigger than the Rezacs. So I gotta raise that this side. But it was just stopping my car. Pissed. The line for C class is so slow. I know the car didn't do anything I wanted it to last ride. I hope it was just the fender rubbing that was causing it, but at initiate and like the levels of grip were so inconsistent. So maybe I just suck. I don't know. We'll figure it out. So the front rub's really hard. I can't, my valve stems in the rear are broken. I can't get more than 30 PSI in them, and I have way too much rear grip. And I don't like it. I had no idea that was like that.
Oh my goodness.
Watch your fingers.
That's right. It sounds like literally.
I was going so easy. Thanks, guys. I was like, wow, this was pretty slick. Me and the car are both hot. It's getting there. I'm so used to having a lot of self-steering. I keep forgetting I have to literally walk the wheel, which I'm not used to. I usually just go like this on the S13.
I know, I noticed. It's like binding up or whatever.
Yeah, dude, I'll go to transition, I let go of the wheel, and it doesn't do anything.
It stays where it is.
I'm like, ew! Well, I'm starting to figure the car out. I have some good laps, I have some bad laps. I'm understeering a lot, and I think that's me just trying to be conservative. I don't know what the hell that actually is. I'm used to having more power, I'm not gonna lie. But it's like really discouraging, like drifting at this level. But it's just trying to figure the car out. I smell coolant. It's me. good way to end it. How you doing?
Better. JP told me to stop being a bitch.
That's
No lift.
No lift.
And it's working.
I don't want them to happen.
See it?
It's been a long day. I'm exhausted. It's definitely go home. I'm sick as I'm hurting, but Travis had some issues with his S13. We think he developed rod knock, which is really unfortunate. So I might trailer that home. I don't know yet. It's single to mile, so there's a lot of cops out, and I don't want to put a lot of tension on the E36 and have him get pulled over because of it. So we'll see how that goes. This is what I need to do to my engine right here. Look at this. See, this is the problem, guys. See this big mess right here? That's where my steering shaft goes. All right there. Hopefully we can think of a better engine choice for that car soon enough. Are you happy with the day?
I'm very happy with the day.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You learned enough?
Learned enough, yeah.
So they overcrowded C group really, really bad. So you weren't able to get enough back-to-back laps to really learn. So I was having a really, really hard time getting used to E36 because I was getting one lap every freaking 30 minutes. I switched to B group because I was allowed to, and I got like back-to-back 3 laps in 10 minutes, and I figured the car like that. So that's really what Drew needs.
That's what Jimmy like broke it down for me pretty much. It's just the back-to-back-to-back consistency is like where I've got to be. Because like today I only did like 11 laps.
Yeah,
so
you don't. There's too much time in between.
Exactly. Like so, yeah. It's in 45 minutes I'll get 3, maybe 4 laps in. So
your body just doesn't know how to correct from there. It already forgot. So it'd be really cool if you could lens out the track first. Go home, Ryan. Alright guys, so we're loaded up, we're all set. I don't know what else to say. It took me a long time to get the hang of it today. It was deterring, it was frustrating, it was a little embarrassing, but that's just how drifting is. I'm not the best drifter in the world, and I got a lot to learn. I don't have as much seat time under my belt as I wish I would, but hopefully this season, really focus on getting a truck, so then, once my S13 should be all set, we could go to way more events this season, and that's really the goal. So today was a great learning experience, got to see a lot of friends. Completely different experience driving that car in general. The right-hand drive part really wasn't that weird. I think it was more the fact of the chassis setup, but minimal scars on the E36. It held up pretty well, so I'm gonna call it a day. Hopefully Travis doesn't wreck my car driving at home, but we should be all set. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. I will see you guys probably tomorrow.